Good morning and happy Finance Friday. It's Brooks Kelly with the Mortgage Link. And yes, we're talking about interest rates again. Why is that? Well, they're going in the right direction. They're at their lowest point since January of 2024, and prior to that, May of 2023. We keep hitting this point and bouncing off, but this time, I think we're going to push through. The Federal Open Market Committee meets mid September, and right now, the rate drop is going to be 25 basis points, which we're not going to see that in rate. We're not going to see rates drop 0.25% at that time, but there's a 34% chance that they drop them 50 basis points. And if they do that, you're going to see a big rally in the market for much lower rates at the end of September. Now, it's only a 33% chance, and we're headed in the right direction. So let's not look a gift horse in the mouth. Let's keep on going this direction, because this will push rates lower as we get into the wintertime, and we see earnings from companies come out that are lower than the market projection. Next up is my tip of the week. I'm a huge proponent of taking care of your calendar. What do I mean taking care of your calendar? Is time blocking. Time blocking is huge in my business. My days are scheduled to the minute. Every 30 minutes, every hour, something happens and something changes, and I move on to the next thing. The only way you can be effective is to tune out all the things that you're not supposed to be doing and focus on the ones that you are. I have tons of tactics around this, and I'd love to help you. If time blocking is the thing, we're going to have a class on it here coming up in the next few weeks, and I'll teach you all the different tactics of time blocking for success. The last thing I'm going to talk about today is the 2-1 buy down. I've talked about this before, but it's something that will get your buyers into a home, because right now I hear this over and over again. We're waiting till the election. We're waiting till this. We're waiting till that. Well, what's going to happen is the election's going to come and somebody's going to get elected, and then they're going to buy a house. So why are they waiting to see who gets elected? Because they're still going to buy a house anyway. So talk to your buyers about this. And the 2-1 buy down, sellers are funding it right now in many opportunities. It's not every deal, but if you can get the seller to pay for this, it's not lost money. If they go to refinance later and they haven't used all the funds for the 2-1 buy down, that money gets credited back to the mortgage. And so they're not losing any money like a permanent buy down. So it gets them into homes, and today close to 4 or even under 4% for the first year. So let's talk about it. Let's get some tactics together and get some home buyers into homes before the market changes and it prices them back out again. Have a great weekend. If you need us, it's BK Team at the Mortgage Link or 469-708-5626. Have a great one.